So in previous session, we have discussed some general things, right? The standards, then how to check the tender documents and all we have discussed. Now we can move to the Planswift software. When we are how to use the Planswift software to take the quantities and all. That is very easy only. I am using a different version. 10.3 I am using. So you can open. First you have to install this Planswift software. Then after that you can open this one. I'll be selecting this one. Okay. And now all this is a very simple software only. Anyhow, when we are discussing, I'll be explaining in between. So directly we will be uploading the drawings to the Planswift, then we can start our job. Okay. For example, same like any other software, if you want to upload a drawing in Planswift, what you have to do means you have to go to the new section. Means I'm starting a new project. So to start a new project, you can go to the new option from the new. For example, that is your okay, like a test 1, test 24. Okay, means the project name you can provide there. And or you can see that is like a residential, a commercial building. Okay, description like the entire MEP work you have to do. Any notes if you want to provide. Any notes if you want to provide, you can provide that. Okay. And for example, the submission date, as per for your reference, if you want to take, you can do. Measurement type. Metric is there, English is there. English, the area will be in square feet, length will be in inches and feet. But we are familiar with the metric, so I'll be selecting metric. Okay. So this general data you have to provide in the starting, and after that you can click next option. Now, from here you can upload your drawings. From where, in which folder you have saved your drawing. Accordingly, you can browse it. Okay. And from there you can load it. For example, I'm just going to the local list D reference project. Okay, I'll be selecting this project, mechanical PDF. Okay, like air conditioning layouts. Select it. Click next. After that, you can click next. And in this convert settings, the software is asking whether to convert the drawings that you are going to upload. Normally, PDF layout only it will support PDF layout. Planswift will be supporting PDF layout. Means when we are uploading it, here we are having an option, convert PDF file to TIFF. I mean, the software is asking whether to convert the file that you are uploading to TIFF format, tagged image format. So best supporting format of Planswift is TIFF only. But the problem, when you are unchecking this one, directly the PDF will be taking into the screen. It will not convert that into TIFF, but clarity will be definitely always good in PDF only. Clear drawings you will be getting in PDF, but when the software is converting PDF into TIFF file, the clarity will be decreasing a little bit, but the performance you will get more. Even if huge files, huge drawings file, when you are converting from PDF to TIFF, the software is taking some time to convert, then the DPI, dots per inch square, means 1 inch, it's same like pixels only. The software will be representing the drawings or the images by the help of dots only, same like pixels. So 1 inch square, how much dots it is having? 300. If you are increasing this value, the clarity will be increasing. If you are decreasing the value, clarity will decrease, but the performance will increase there. Okay. But the optimum value like a 250 or 300 you can give. 300 is the preset one. You can keep that one. So I'll be converting this. And after that, the color. If you need gray color, black and white, 256, true color. I need actual color, true color. Click next option, finish it. Now what the software will do, the software will be uploading that layout like this. What all drawings you are having, that drawings you will be getting in your screen. Okay. Fine. That's a way we are. You don't want to save it anyhow. You don't want to save that anyhow because it is auto saving only. Planswift is auto saving. Okay. Anyhow, for our project that we were doing, a commercial residential building that we were dealing yesterday, it was like a residential commercial building, B+G+6+R. Means basement, ground, 6th floor plus roof. Okay, this is a project that I'm going to explain. Anyhow, I have already loaded that. I'm just going to the open option. Okay, and I'll be taking that one, residential, commercial, this one, open it. Few layouts I have already opened. Means this is air conditioning. For example, I'm just going to my HVAC. AC ducting, MA101 to 107. MA101 to 107, I have already loaded. Then ventilation, MV101 to 602. MV101 to 602, I have already loaded. If you need further more drawings, for example, this smoke management, we have already uploaded that. And you can go here, we are having a plus button. You can select this one, add pages. Now you can select from image files. Means you have already uploaded few drawings. Again, if you want to load it, you can do one thing. You can drag it and keep it like that. Means you can drag the layout and you can place it. Correct. But if it is a PDF, then it will come because all these are TIFF only. That's why it is not coming. You can drag it. Otherwise, the better option here you can click. Okay. From image file, then where you need it. For example, I'll be selecting this smoke management, all this layout, check all. When you're selecting check all the layout has selected. If you don't want, you can provide uncheck all or certain range. If you want to select like that, you can select. I need check all option. Click next option. I need a true color. Next, finish it. Like that together you can load it, but it will take some time if the number of drawings are more. Now the software will be uploading that layout here. You can witness that. Correct. Okay. Let it be loaded. Anyhow, it is not practically possible to show how to take the entire building quantity. I'll explain how to do it. Okay. The first step, once you have received your project, you have to verify the machines. What all equipments that you're having, you have to verify first, so that suddenly you can raise your RFI. And as per the schedule, you have to do that. For example, I'll be starting from my basics here only. Okay, this is the basement floor, ground floor, first floor, second to fifth. I guess second floor to fifth floor, that is typical only. Second to fifth, that is typical. I guess that is single drawing. Then sixth floor might be different. That's why it is a separate drawing. Then a roof layout, and this is upper layout. These are the floors we are having. Basement, ground, first, second to fifth, sixth one, roof. So from this is air conditioning only. I'm just going to the basement. From the basement itself, I'll be taking the quantity. Okay. When you are coming to the basement layout, here you can see here we are having an AC machine. BPR01. B might be a basement. PR might be the model number or it might be the space. You can see it's a pump room. So that's why PR might be the pump room. Means the designer might be naming it as per their convenience. There is no global thing. PR might be the pump room. So basement, pump room 01, we are having a machine. What machine it is? I guess this might be a ductable unit or it might, it is not a wall mounted unit. If you're having doubt, you can go to the schedule. You can go to the schedule. Okay. From the schedule, mechanical schedule, you can find it's a DX unit, HVAC system, indoor, outdoor, basement. It's a VRF unit only actually, but VRF basement pump room. Basement pump room, the quantity 1, airflow rate 520 liter per second. What unit it is? It is decorative type only. Decorative type is wall mounted type. Decorative unit is wall mounted only. In the HVAC machines classes, we will study. Decorative AC unit is wall mounted type. Not this one, this one. Okay. Wall mounted type will be the decorative one. So that's why this might be a wall mounted one. Okay. But it is clubbed with the VRF outdoor unit only. But one batch, still we have to study this HVAC machines. Don't worry, we will study in the upcoming classes. Okay, just watch, attend this, no problem. Pump room, BPR. I am taking this one, just only one quantity. Because I have to verify this with the BOQ. Because whether this item is there in the BOQ or not, I have to verify, no? That's why when you are going down, you can see basement, the PR. Sometimes it might be with respect to the capacity or sometimes it might be with respect to the number as per the drawing. So when you are coming to mechanical, this is first they will be starting with the ductable split AC, then typical basement PR, correct? This one. We are having only one quantity. It is there in the drawing. It is there in the drawing. Okay. Anyway, take the drawing. Suppose if you want to count this item by the help of Planswift, means AC machine, definitely we will be taking us by numbers only. So you have to count it. So if we need to count it, see in this Planswift, we are having like a home screen, pages, tools, view, estimating. Same like AutoCAD also, when you are studying the drafting and all, we are having a lot of sub-tabs, ribbons, right? But all the necessary tools that we need to proceed our job, everything has arranged in the home screen. The same way, in the home screen, suppose if you want to start a new project, you can start from the new option. Already one existing project, if you want to open, you can go to the open, the previous project you can open. Or if you want to print this layout, you can go to the print option. Or the job you are performing, if you want to email to somebody else, you can go to the email. And at present, you are on the ground floor. If you want to go back to the previous layout, you can go to the back option. If you want to go back, you can go to the forward as well. Okay. If you want to zoom it, zooming, the easiest option is mouse middle button, you can move. Pan means mouse middle button, you can click and hold, and after that you can do the pan. Okay, zooming. Or you can come to the zoom option, and after that you can make a screen like that. So where you are making it like that, you can zoom it. Okay. Or you can provide fit page that will be coming to the actual dimension. When you are clicking zoom in, as much as possible, you can zoom in. Or when you are clicking here, you can zoom out this one. Pan means this, correct. Or mouse, using mouse middle button also, you can pan this one. If you are going to the pages option, if you want to add more pages, you can add, but the same option only we are having here. Okay. Or if you want to rotate this one, rotate right side, rotate left side, those options are there. We are having an option. Sometimes in the white screen, if you are not comfortable, we are having an option called invert option. You can make it black screen. But this invert option will only function in TIFF format. PDF, it will not function. So that's why invert option, sometimes if the white screen is not good, you can invert that into black. Okay. Anyway, rest all the things we can discuss in between. I'm just going to the home screen. If you want to do the quantity surveying, only this section we will be using, takeoff. Okay. From the takeoff option, we are having a count option. I'm just going to count this one first. Exactly same like this, I'll be counting it, because in the drawing, in the BOQ, if they have provided the capacity, the BOQ, they have provided the capacity. With respect to the capacity, we have to take, but the capacity has not mentioned. So you don't want to mention the capacity now. But if they are mentioned the capacity, then capacity also included. Means capacity, if you want to include, how you can. For example, I'm just going to count the item. If you want to count this item, in the takeoff, you can go to the count option, click it. When you are selecting the count option, you'll be getting the property screen. Okay. From the property screen, you can provide the name. For example, that is basement PR 01 only, air conditioning machine. Okay. And color, I'll be selecting this one. And the shape, I'll be selecting for time being this one. Then click OK. And which item you have to take the quantity, click that item. Now I have taken this quantity as a 1. Multiple times, if you are clicking, means that will come like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. The item you have taken, already you can find below this layout. You can click this drop down. You can see this one. If you want to escape, you can click escape button, or you can right click and stop it. If you want to continue, you can go click new section. After right clicking it, you can go to new section, then you can continue this one. If you don't want this one, you can double click, you can delete it. Now it has deleted. Even if you are deleting, sometimes it might be there. You can here you can see this is under pages and bookmarks only. Under pages and bookmarks, still the item is there. You can right click this one and you can delete it. Or you can click this one top side, we are having delete option, you can delete it. Okay. Okay. But even if you are deleting, sometimes it might be They are under the takeoff summary. I have completely deleted that. That's why it is not there. Sometimes even if you are deleting the item quantity is 0 in number, it might not be visible under the pages and bookmark. Under pages and bookmarks, we can witness all the drawings that you have attached. But if you are going to the takeoff summary, what are items you have taken the quantity, you can find from there. Or any item, if you want to attach like a BOQ and all for reference, you can attach here that you can witness there. Any note you have incorporated here in the drawing, under the note section you can find. Anyhow, at present I am on the pages and bookmark only. Once again, I will be continuing it. For basement PR01, this is a AC machine. What's the capacity of this one? Along with the capacity, if you want to take that one, the capacity is 520 liter per second, 12.2 kilowatt. I need this 2 value only. 12.2 kilowatt, 520 liter per second. Okay, just go to the count option. Basement pump room 01 is the item. 520 liter per second, 12.2 kilowatt. Total kilowatt from the schedule, whenever you are taking it, you have to take the total kilowatt, not the sensible load. Total coil load, 12.2 kilowatt. That's AC capacity. Whenever you are selecting an AC machine, whether there is ductable unit, definitely we need flow rate and airflow rate and coil load. But if it is a non-ducted unit, only the coil load might be sufficient. But if both the values are there, take it. So I have taken this one. The color, I will be selecting this one. Which color you like, that one you can select. Okay, I'll be, instead of circle, I'll be selecting a square shape. Click OK. And where is your item that you can select? Auto select option might be working in some versions, but it is not good. You should not follow the auto selection. Error will come. So I have selected this as an one item. The same item, if you want to continue, what you can do? You can move your mouse pointer to this item, or you can click this one. The item will be highlighting there. Okay. Or you can place your mouse pointer. Left side, you can see there is a bulb-like structure. This is called digitizer record. Okay. Digitizer record. You can select this digitizer record. Now it is not visible. Correct. But when you are here, you can see here also we are having that digitizer record, but it is not faded now. But when you are selecting this item, you can see the digitizer record is activated. You can click here, then the same item you can continue. It will be counting like 1, 2, 3, 4 continuation. Now it is 5 number. The same item, if you want to continue, either you can click here or you can click here. I'll be selecting there, and it is now it is 6 in number, 7 in number, 8 in number. Like that, the item you can continue. If you don't want, you can double click like this. The item will be deleted. And the name, if you want to change, you can double click this one. If you want to do some changes, for example, now the color is this one. For reference only the color. If you want to change that color, you can change like this. Or the shape that I have used for quantity takeoff is square only. If you need circle, or if you need a plus option, or if you need triangle, diamond, whatever it may, you can select it as per your wish. Okay. So if you don't want, you can select it and delete it. Okay, it has deleted. Once again, I'll be continuing. Go to count option. So that is my basement pump room 01. 12.2 kilowatt total coil load, 520 liter per second machine. Click OK. Now you can count it. Okay. Now anything else if you want to take the quantity in basement? Yes, one item is there, the refrigerant pipe. Because this might be connecting to a VRF unit only. Because this is indoor and outdoor VRF unit. We can study the VRF unit. Because this is an indoor unit, it might be connecting to the outdoor unit. VRF unit reference, outdoor unit reference is it has located on where? Upper roof only, upper roof. And the name will be VRF GR common. So you can go to the upper roof. Now it is on basement only. Now you can go to the upper roof, you can find that unit. VRF common unit. But if you are having doubt where it is, no problem. Grid reference you can take. Actually, this machine or this refrigerant pipe is going between a grid reference only. And because now I am on basement only, but the outdoor unit of this machine has located on upper roof. So from indoor unit to outdoor unit, I need to take the refrigerant piping. Correct. So the horizontal length I can take from there, vertical pipe, where it is. Here you can see from the machine, the refrigerant pipe will be going here only. From there, it will be vertically going upside. Okay. Actually, this pipe is On grid number 12 only, this is grid number 12. And between grid number G and grid number H, between grid number GH and grid number 12, you can find this on upper roof. Okay, just go to upper roof. Upper roof, this one. Grid number 12, GH. Grid number 12, G and H, I guess somewhere here you can see it is coming. Grid number 12 is this one. GH is here. Somewhere here you can see the refrigerant, but it is not perfectly, no. Between GH only, no. It is, yeah, GH. Here we are having a shaft. This shaft we should witness on the top. So I guess this drawing might be slightly with respect to the grid number 12 in the upper roof. Grid number 12, I need to find that. I guess this might be the one. But slight mistake in the drawing, but no problem. This is a pipe, I guess. This is, oh no, this one. They have not clearly mentioned. They have not marked it. That refrigerant pipe should come here. In grid number 12, between G and H, somewhere here we need that. They are not marking it. They are missing it. Somewhere here we need that. Grid number 12, GH, somewhere here I need to show that pipe. From there, it has to connect to the corresponding outdoor unit. Okay. VRF basement 1, corridor, VRF common, this item. This item. So from the ground door, from the basement, the refrigerant pipe will be coming somewhere here. Then it has to be connected here. So this length you have to take. Means from the basement floor, vertically the pipe has to come. Then it will be connecting to this VRF common. So if you want to take this vertical connection, you have to go to the riser layout. But sometimes riser layout they will not provide. But some cases in the ventilation you can see ventilation they have given. Means height data also I have to select. Height details. Actually from basement, this is ground floor and this is a basement. Basement to vertical until the upper roof, how much height will come, that I have to take. Basement up to the upper roof. For example, basement floor to the first floor. This is basement floor. And this is first floor. And this is my ground floor. Okay. Then this is like first floor, second floor, third floor. So that vertical height also I should take. Okay. Anyhow, refrigerant pipe diameter, I am not having much idea. They have not given it. So no problem. Refrigerant piping we can take now. I'll be going there. So refrigerant piping, if you want to take, you have to take the length of this one. Length of this one, either you can take from the linear option or from the segment option. But the problem, if you are planning to take a linear dimension, the software will show some error. Or if you are trying to take an area, or if you are trying to take a linear dimension or segment, because the software point of view, this is just a photo only, image only. You have to scale this first. With the non-distance, you have to scale this one. For in this drawing, you can see there is a lot of non-distance we are having. In this layout, we are having a lot of non-distances. Like for example, from grid number G to grid number F, the distance is 4.8 meter. Grid number H to grid number G, the distance is 6.2 meter. So using this grid number, this is millimeter only, but you can scale that into meter. Using this non-distance, you can scale it. You have to scale it. Once you have scaled this one, after that you can take the dimension. But sometimes if there is no non-distance in your drawing, if there is no non-distance in your drawing, any drawing with the distance, non-distance you have to find, that common distance you can use to scale all other layout. For example, if this is a lighting layout, this is a lighting layout, mechanical layout or fire pump, firefighting layout, HVAC, nowhere we are having the scale, but electrical lighting layout, we are having a dimension. So what we can do, the architecture layout will be common for all the services only. So that's why you can go to the electrical layout. Electrical layout, you can scale first. After that, any common reference between the electrical layout and other layout. For example, electrical layout, I am having a stair. The stair width, once the electrical layout has already scaled, and after that I can take the dimension of electrical. Now from the electrical layout, any common reference dimension you can take. Using that dimension, you can scale all the other drawings. I will show that. For example, unfortunately, in this layout, I'm not having any dimension, let's say, but I have to scale it. How? Any layout with a dimension. For example, if I am going to the smoke management, sorry, that is riser only, or I'm just going to this one, 6th floor plan. This is like a pressurized smoke management. In this 6th floor plan, I can witness this grid number G to grid number H. Okay. So since I am having dimension, this layout I can scale first. I'm just going to the scale option. Okay. And after that, under the metric section, I'm just providing the distance of 6.2 meter. The scaling you can do by meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. I'm selecting meter. What distance that is? 6.2 meter. 6.2 meter from where to where? 6.2 meter. First point you can click. That is from here. The next point is here. Ortho, if you are unchecking, the mouse pointer will be flexible. But bottom ortho, if you are fixed, the movement will be restricted a little bit. Okay. Anyhow, from this point to this point, now I have scaled this one, 6.2 meter. Okay. Now you can see, once this layout has scaled, which one? This 6th floor has scaled. Now you can see in this 6th floor, we are having a stair. 5th floor, you can witness the same stair. 1st floor, you can witness the same. So this is a common reference only. Even if you are going to the basement, you can witness that stair 01. That's why, since this layout has scaled, staircase 1 dimension I can take, or any common, this door you can take as a reference, or width of this staircase you can take as a reference. I'm just going to the dimension. Now I'll be taking the distance from here to here. How much it is? 2.7 meter. Using this 2.7 meter, you can scale all the other drawing. Means, unfortunately, if only one drawing is having the dimension, you can scale that drawing first. Then any common reference, you can take the dimension. Using this, you can scale this one now. Now I can come here. I know the distance from here to here, it is 2.7 meter. I can go to the scale option. You can provide 2.7 meter. Click OK. From where to where that is 2.7, you can scale it, then you can work. Okay. Like that, you can do it. Clear? Okay. Anyhow, if you don't want scale, you can go to the scale option where you are having clear scale. Yes. Then you can click this one, right click and delete it. Okay. The same way I'm just going here. You can go to the scale option, clear scale. Yes. Right click this one, delete it. Yes. Okay. I don't want that. Right click, delete. Yes. I'm just coming back to my layout. Anyhow, I'm having a lot of dimension there, so I can scale it. Even if you are not having any drawing with the dimension, no problem. Any single door width, this including frame, this width you can consider 0.9 meter or 900 mm. That is standard only. Okay. Or internal dimension, you can take like 800 millimeter or 0.8 meter based on that. But it is rare only if you're having any non-distance, you have to follow accordingly. Then only the accuracy will be there. Okay. Anyhow, I'm having dimensions there. So that's why using any non-dimension, I'm going to scale it. The distance between grid number H and J is 4.8 meter only. So let me scale that. I'm just going to, because until the drawing is scaled, you will not be able to take any dimension. Correct. It will show error. You have to scale that first. So count is fine. No problem. Count is fine. But length, if you want to take, or area, if you want to take, then you have to scale that first. I'm just going to the scale option. Under the metric section, if you need a different one, you can do. But I'm familiar with the metric. So you can go to the metric. The distance from H to J, that is 4.8 meter. So 4.8 meter I'm taking. Click OK. From where to where? You can select that is from here to here. Now it is scaled. Now you can take the dimension. Okay. I'm just going to the basement, this machine. I'm just going to the linear option. Linear option means that will be continuous, like a line. Segment means you will be getting that as a part. Means the distance between linear and the segment means linear will be like a polyline. Okay. Then segment will be like a normal line. That's the difference. Continuous, linear. Okay. Anyhow, I'll be repeating that. I need this refrigerant piping. Okay. For this machine. So just go to the linear option, refrigerant piping for basement PR 01 machine. Click OK. From where to where? I'm clicking there. Then it is here. Then it is here. Then it is here. Okay. What is the horizontal length I have taken? Now I am just going to the upper roof because the outdoor unit of this machine has placed on upper roof only. And that is between grid number 12 and GH. And also that is very near to the stair number 1 only here. Okay, I'm just going to the upper roof. This also I am scaling now. Any non-distance, it is not mandatory, use the 4.8 meter. This also you can select. All are scaled only. I'm just going to the scale option, metric. And that is 6.2 meter. 6.2 meter from where to where? 6.2 meter from this point to this point. Okay. Now the same item I have taken here in the basement, I am taking here. So this is, I guess, not, I have scaled a different one. I need to scale the air conditioning. So this one, upper roof. Okay. Scale this one. Let's say that is 6.2 meter scale option. Metric, let me select that is 6.2 from where to where? From here to here. Upper roof only I can find because this basement pump room, one machine, the outdoor unit has located on where? Upper roof only. And that is the name of that unit reference will be like a VRF GR common. So when I am going to the upper roof, here you can see the VRF GR common. And the pipe should come through the stair only. Grid number 12. Grid number 12. Actually, this is a stair. It is not clearly visible. This is a stair. Through this side, I need that pipe. From here only that will come between G and H. Grid number 12. Grid number 12. Between G and H, somewhere here I need that. Okay. Anyhow, the refrigerant pipe should come then here. So what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the same item from the top side. I'm repeating that by the help of digitizer record. I will be taking this from there. Anyhow, straightly I can't take it. So I'm using some logic. I'll be taking through this side. Then it will be connecting to my unit. Approximately I need the length. So I have calculated what length? Horizontal length. Now the vertical length also I have to take. Vertical length manually you can type now. Or when you are making the quantity takeoff sheet, you can add. Or you can go to any riser diagram for time being. Any riser diagram. From there you can take it. Anyhow, I'm just going to any riser. For example, ventilation system riser is there. Okay. In this riser, you can see the dimensions. So that's why this is also possible to scale. Then using this one, approximately I will be marking it. Okay. Anyhow, my outdoor unit, indoor unit, let me scale this first, this ventilation riser diagram. I'm just going manually also, you can see. Manually also, each floor will be 3.8. Then how much will be first floor height, second floor height, third floor height, fourth floor. Until the upper roof, like that, you can manually add it. But since it is scaled, we can easily take it. I'm just going to the scale option. Okay, 3.8 meter. This one I am taking as a reference. 3.8 meter. From where to where? 3.8 meter from here to here. Now what I'm doing, and my pipe should come from the basement. The basement is here only. Anyhow, my AC machine, decorative unit only. Minimum that will be coming from the finished floor level to 2.4 meter above. Wall mounted AC from the finished floor level to 2.4 meter only. Normally we will be placing minimum. From there you have to take it upside. So approximately we can take it now because accurately that is not possible. So the refrigerant piping, I am continuing from using this one. Even if that is not AC layout, I can take it from there. Somewhere above from the basement here, I'll be taking a vertical pipe up to the upper roof, slightly above the upper roof. Now you can see the vertical pipe is coming nearly 33.13 meter. So overall, if you are going to the takeoff summary, for this refrigerant piping length that we need for liquid alone, this is for liquid and vapor together, we have to consider 45.67 meter of refrigerant piping I need for this basement machine. Okay, I can go back to the pages and bookmark for the first basement. I have completed the quantity takeoff of this machine. Nothing more is there, but you can see there is something here. What is that? If you're having doubt, you can go to the legend. There is, but because if this one is like a ductable unit, if this is a ductable unit, there should be a thermostat. But thermostat, it might be, but normally thermostat, they should be marking like a T1. So you can go to here, anything they're marking, because thermostat should be like this only. So anyhow, there is not thermostat. There is not a mechanical item, so you can avoid it. Correct. But if there is any thermostat like that, you have to count it. So that's why any item as per the legend, if it is there in the drawing, you have to take it. Okay. There is nothing more in basement. I'll be moving to the ground floor. Ground floor. Ground floor, it is like a two-part only, top side and bottom. Okay. Anyhow, we are having a lot of units there inside. GR-RET01, GR-RET01 again, GR-RET01. Typical machine, VRV, VRF only. So what is that machine? GR-RET01. We can take that from here. GR-RET01. Okay. That is GR-RET01. It's a retail shop only. Ground floor retail shop. 5 number of equipments that we are having. Each equipment will be 14.2 kilowatt, 650. And all these equipments will be connecting. These are ductable unit only. So definitely the thermostat has to be considered, ductable unit. And it is connecting to the VRF retail 1 and to the roof floor. Okay. Roof floor only. Fine. Let me take it. GR-RET. I don't want the coil load now because since the unit is having a number, when we are pricing it, we can take it. GR-RET01. Let me take like that. I will be counting it. Just go to the count option. GR-RET01 is the unit reference. Any shape you can select. GR-RET01. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever you are having 5 units are there as per the schedule. But I found just 5 number. It is there. All the 5s are there. And take the refrigerant, and these are roughnet joints only in the VRV classes. In the upcoming classes, we will study. These are roughnet joint, but no problem. Leave it. And let me take the refrigerant pipe length for this one. Okay, let me scale this one. Any non-distance? Any non-distance? No non-distance. Correct. In this layout, we are not having any dimension. We are not having any dimension for this layout. If there is anything, we can. Correct. No non-distance we are having there. No problem. Don't worry. Because this stair will be common, no? The stair will be common only. So I'm just going to the basement level, or you can go to the ground level, or you can go to the first level. This stair is common only. I'm just scaling the first floor. From distance from H to J, go to the scale option. H to J, that is 4.8 meter. 4.8 meter only. From where to where? 4.8 meter from here to here. So since first floor has already scaled, this stair is common for ground floor as well. Let me take the dimension of this stair. The internal dimension, we know that is 2.7 meter something. Yeah, decimal difference, that is fine. 2.7 meter, you can come to now the ground floor. Now we can scale this one. Even if the dimension is not there, I know the dimension from other drawing. We can go to the scale option, that is 2.7 meter. The internal dimension of this stair is 2.7. Now this is scaled. Now I can take the length of this piping. Okay. Now the refrigerant piping for ground floor RET01. Separately we have to, together we can take. Okay. Or for this one, go to linear option. Refrigerant, or even if the refrigerant piping for all the equipments, if you are taking together, then that is fine. But the problem with respect to the capacity, the liquid diameter and the vapor diameter of the refrigerant pipes will not same. So that's why very accurately, if you want to do the, normally we are having standard rates for this refrigerant pipings and all. So you don't want to take the refrigerant piping always. It is not mandatory, but if you're taking, how to take it? Okay. Now the refrigerant piping for GR-RET01, together I am taking. Together I am taking. This is liquid line only, vapor also will come. This is one line. Now you can, this is already scaled, you can take through this way. and I'll be coming until here up to there. Okay. So the same, you can proceed like this. All these machines are having the same capacity. That's why I'm taking together. But this is coming like a GR-RET02, then I'll be taking separately only. Okay. So I guess, as I told, to take the refrigerant pipe is not mandatory always. Okay. Now what do you have to do? The outdoor unit of this machine has located where GR-RET01. You have to go to the roof plan. Go to the roof floor. VRV retail 01. A roof only. A roof. VRV RET01. VRV retail. VRV retail 01. This one. Correct. Retail only, that one. Retail VRF retail 01. This is equipment, right? GR RET01. Then the outdoor will be VRF. So it is not Daikin. If it is Daikin, that will come like a VRV. VRF retail 01. So that's equipment. So from there you can take the quantity now. Okay, so roof plan I will be scaling now. Yes, we are having dimensions there. So 4.1 meter. So go to the scale option. Okay, 4.1 meter. Click OK. And that is from here to here. I have taken that. Okay. Now when you are taking the length for this refrigerant piping from ground floor, the grid reference will be, grid reference is also not there for this one. Grid here there was dimension. The top side. Okay. When you have grid reference, approximately that is just left side of the stair only, somewhere from here it is starting. Means just left side, somewhere from here it is starting. Okay. From that point, I will be taking a refrigerant piping. This is roof plan only. So you can take like this way, then like this way. Then you can VRF retail. Approximately this much length of horizontal will come. Plus, this is from ground floor. I'm just going to the refrigerant piping. Now it is from ground floor to, it is from ground floor only. Refrigerant piping for this one. Ground floor somewhere here, ductable unit. Ground floor to not upper roof, ground floor until the roof level. Okay, so this much vertical piping also will come for that machine. Correct. So horizontal and riser also I have taken. Okay. Now the same way we are having GR-RET02, GR-RET. What all equipments that you are having in this, you have to select it. You know how to take it. I'm not repeating the same procedure, but these things you have to take. For example, here I am having SPL09. Split AC only. And it is having an outdoor unit definitely. So SPL09, you can find from the schedule. I guess that might be split AC. SPL09. What unit is? There is a wall mounted unit only. Wall mounted unit. 3 equipments we are having. And outdoor unit, there is no clear data regarding the outdoor unit. SPI ODU09. Yeah, ODU, outdoor unit, split indoor and outdoor 09. So we should find that 3 separate unit will come. So where is that outdoor? Outdoor we should find, there is not outdoor detail. It is not there in the first floor, second floor, 6th floor, roof plan. Not this one. Split outdoor unit we need. These are VRF only. We can go to the upper roof. VRF, MVRF. These are VRF equipment. But there is split AC only in that. Yeah, here you can see ODU. I guess that is 080. Not clear, right? You can go to the roof plan as well. Roof Roof also it is there.